Hey beautiful, welcome back to my channel, or welcome if you are new. My name is Jeannie and I am so glad you're here, each and every one of you. I love you and I appreciate you. If you're new, I would love it if you would decide to hang around for a while, become part of this beauty YouTube family if you would like. If you like beauty content and you enjoy this video, please give it a thumbs up. It truly does help the channel. And if you have anything to say about anything that goes on during the video, leave a comment down below. I love reading them and responding to them, and that is how I make connections with so many of you that I deeply appreciate. So for today's video, we're going to get into my Ipsy Glam Bag for the month of July. I filmed my Glam Bag Plus and it was kind of like a hate on video. I was not happy with the Glam Bag and I just wasn't happy with Ipsy on a very personal level. I got into why and the situation in that video, so we won't get into it in this video, but if you want to check it out and you missed it, I'll have it linked in the description box below. But this is the $13 bag, which is now, I believe, going up to $15. But you guys, I have to give credit where credit is due. I just chose for my August bag and the choices were actually really good. Like, I was excited with what I saw, but that's for the Glam Bag. And we're back. Please forgive the disruption. My two toddlers that I thought were down apparently weren't, and they were in there messing around. I'm sure you heard the banging. So there's that. Now, hopefully they're down. But anyhow, so yeah, we're gonna get into my $13 Ipsy Glam Bag for the month of July. I do have some of the products on right now. We'll talk about that, but I want to quickly mention before we get into it, we are just days away. On the 25th of July, there's going to be a video on my channel in collaboration with 10 other channels, or 10 in total. It's going to be a Christmas in July mystery box exchange, and each channel is going to have a giveaway for all of you, so definitely keep your eye open for that. It's going to be really cool. I know my giveaway is really cool and I'm very excited for it. And then I also want to quickly mention before we get into the bag, because I a lot of times get questions about what I'm wearing in my videos. You guys, I went to the cosmetics company store today. I am a Marshalls and TJ Maxx-aholic, but I've been seeing a lot of shop with me's from this store. I don't have one super close to me. I'm in Michigan, and the closest one to me is in Birch Run, which is about a 45-minute drive if we're talking traffic time, an hour. But I went up there to check it out, and I've got to show you what I got for $60 really quick. This is what I have on, and this was my first time trying a Tom Ford eyeshadow palette. This is the 03 Body Heat Quad. So this is what I have on right now, and oh my god, it's amazing. It is amazing. And then I also got the Too Faced 2 Femme palette, which this palette is right up my alley. I love pinks, purples, nudes, golds, and greens. So tell me if that palette is not perfect for me. It is a newer launch, so I was quite shocked to see it there at such a low price. This one smells like roses. We all know the Too Faced has scents, and this one smells like a fresh rose, which I love. And then I also have been eyeing this one for a while. This is the Too Faced Light My Fire. It smells like cinnamon. So pretty, very warm toned. The shimmers in this one just call my name. I also got a little Too Faced brush, and they also threw in a Clinique vitamin C serum sample size. You guys, I got all of that for $60. Two Too Faced palettes, one of which is a newer launch, a Tom Ford Quad for $60. I'm like, yeah, baby. Yeah, baby. So anyways, that is what I have on my eyes today. I'm wearing the Tom Ford Quad. It is a cooler toned quad, and it is amazing. All right, so moving along into the Ipsy Glam Bag. I actually do really like these glam bags that we get. The Glam Bag Pluses are also cool, but I specifically like these ones because I'm able to use them in daily life. I use the other ones as well, but I'm a waitress, and the bags like this, I like to keep like all of my waitress pens and my wine key for work when opening bottles at tableside, that kind of thing. Just very handy for me, and I really like this one because it's really durable. It's almost like a pleather material. I really love the Tiffany green. It's got a cute star, and the bag that I had been using from Ipsy for all of my waitress pens, which I keep one of these in my purse, so it's always in my purse. I don't forget it for work, and it holds all of my pens. I had a pen explode in the one that I was using very recently. It made a mess. I had to throw it away, get all new pens, the whole 9 yards, probably the heat, but whatever, it doesn't matter. So I'm definitely going to use this for that purpose, and I'm glad to have a new one that I like for that. So, okay. I do want to mention there has been recently for the glam bag, if you don't know, typically these are deluxe size sample products, but you do get full size products here and there. And for the last few months, there have been full size eyeshadow palettes, not little eyeshadow duos, but full size palettes up for choices for the glam bag, which I think is really, really cool and amazing. I did choose one for last month. For this month, there were some on there for me to choose. I think there was 2, but I didn't choose them. I chose a different full size product. This is from Complex Culture, and this is a full size, I guess this is a Kiss, what is it? Kiss Bus lip gloss. Okay. It's in the shade Euphoria. I do have it on my lips right now. I think the packaging is super cute. It's kind of like thick packaging. So as you can see, it's probably like a little over an inch thick, or maybe even a little bit more than that. That is the shade on it. So it's a very, very pretty. This is the type of gloss that's perfect to throw on a liner, throw the gloss on top, and call it a day. The formula feels thick but not sticky. It feels really nice. I really, really like it. And I also really like the packaging. The only complaint that I do have is this is a full size, and you're getting more packaging than you are product because the glass is so thick. Like, as you can see, there's a whole area of glass that doesn't have product. It's only just packaging. So I feel like I will go through this rather quickly, the way that I apply and reapply lip products throughout the day. But nonetheless, it is a full-size product, and I think it's really nice. I tend to really like the Complex Culture things that I try, so no complaint there. Next, we did get, how do we say this? Is it OC? I don't really know how it's pronounced, but I have heard really good things about this. This is their Ocean Cleanser. Now, this is a sample size, or a deluxe size sample, if you will, but it does come with 18 milliliters. Is that, let me see, 0.6 fluid ounces. The consistency on this, well, actually, I haven't tried the consistency, but the way that it looks actually really surprised me. It kind of looks like a cream cleanser, which I really love for my dry skin type. And I have heard really good things about this. I've never tried it, so I'm actually really excited about this. And it's a decent size for a sample size. And for a sample size, it's also a glass bottle, which feels really luxe in the hands. And yeah, so no complaints there again. Next, this is the Mrs. Flowers and Mr. Honey Hydrating Lotion by the Vanilla Company. Now, this is not a brand that I'm familiar with, and again, it is a deluxe size sample, but you guys, I opened it. It smells like literal heaven. It smells like heaven in a bottle. It smells like a mixture of flowers and honey. Like, it just smells so yummy, and it's like a yummy skin lotion. I got a little bit too much sun on my shoulders very recently, and they were actually peeling a little bit, and I used just the smallest amount of this, and it felt very moisturizing, soothing, and it smells really good. This is actually something that I might consider purchasing in a full size because I love the smell of it so much, and I just love to smell good like that, and I love really good smelling body lotion. So this might be something I would be interested in picking up. And then next from Benefit Cosmetics, I got the Bad Girl Bang Mascara. This is a mini, and I actually really like getting these little mini mascaras. I feel like when you have a mini, it's really easy to work the wand into the lashes, and they're also really good to toss in your purse or for travel. That is what the wand looks like on this one. Not my favorite type of wand, and I've never tried this mascara, so we'll definitely give it a go. I really like to get air into my mascara formulas and then try them like 2 weeks later so that I don't feel like I don't like them, because I like my mascaras not to be dry, obviously, but to be drier than when you first open them. It tends to make a mess for me like that, and I tend to think, oh, I don't like this mascara, and then I'll throw it in my drawer and try it maybe like 3 weeks later, and I'm like, oh my God, I love this shit. So it's opened. We'll give it a try very soon. And then I actually did have also one add-on for, oh, there's another product as well. So, sorry. The fifth product is actually a mask duo. This is by Pumpkin Yule. Let me pull it out and show you here. Now, I do not mind when we get mask duos as a product, because it kind of feels, you know, in a $13 bag, it feels like you're getting a twofer because you're getting 2 for 1. That is the brand on it, so I'm not 100% how to pronounce that, but it does look like it is an Asian brand, and I really do enjoy trying Asian skincare. I've really loved the things that I've tried in the past from Asian skincare brands. So we got 2 of these, and they are the Highly Moisturizing Essence Mask Pack. So that's amazing for my skin type as well, highly moisturizing. So those were the 5 products, actually, well, 6 products in my glam bag. And then I did get one add-on this month for the glam bag, and it was the Studio Makeup Studio Hyaluronic setting powder in translucent. Now, I did use this to set in between my eyebrows and slightly under my eyes today. The reason that I got this is because I really have been loving the By Terry Hyaluronic setting powder. I feel like there's something about hyaluronic setting powders. They're milled extremely finely, and I have to be really careful about setting powders that I use, if I'm going to use any at all, because I am on the drier side, and I also do have texture and fine lines. So sometimes a setting powder can make me look worse than I did before I applied it. So I just choose not to apply it at all. But in the more recent months, maybe the last year, maybe slightly longer, I have found some that actually work really well with texture, fine lines, and dry skin. And I think the top of the list would be the By Terry Hyaluronic Setting Powder. It does have hyaluronic acid in it, same with this. Although I do say I have to like the packaging. I have to say that I like the packaging a lot better on this one than the By Terry one. The By Terry is just kind of your basic setting powder packaging like this, but then it does not have this top here where there's nothing that comes out here. You have to open it. Ooh, we got some out. And then it's kind of got one of those pushy nets, I guess, or like, so it doesn't just fall right out. There's actually a little, almost like a mini trampoline, if you will, in there, and you can just tap your brush on it, tap the excess off inside, and then set whatever you want to set. So far, so good. I put this on, I would say about an hour ago. I have to do a true wear test on a setting powder to know if I'm going to like it, but so far, so good. So far, this is a win. So I'm excited to find another setting powder that works for my skin, if that's going to be the case. But yeah, you guys, I gotta be honest with you. I'm more excited about the regular Glam Bag than the Glam Bag Plus for 2 months in a row. So if I'm gonna be spending you know, money with Ipsy, I'm definitely going to keep one of my bags because I really do enjoy the Glam Bag X, which is coming in August. Alicia Keys is the curator with her brand, Keys Soul Care, which I am very intrigued and do really enjoy the things that I've tried from the brand. So I'm actually really excited for that Glam Bag X. I will be getting that. But I'm thinking about knocking off the Glam Bag Plus and just keeping the traditional Glam Bag so that I will have access to the Glam Bag X. And to be honest with you, I've been really liking my Glam Bags. My Pomeranian wants to come say hello. Say hi, Chewy. He was just out in the rain with my husband for a walk. Say hi, Choo Choo. Say hi to the people. Hey, what's up? All right. Anyhow, so yeah, that's the Chooster. Love him, but he's bad. He's a bad boy. In fact, he's so bad that he chewed, before I even got to use them, the little makeup sponges that came in my brand new Tom Ford palette. You stinker. I was so mad I could have... I mean, quite honestly, I don't even know if I would have used the little things because I have so many high quality brushes in my collection. But still, those were Tom Ford, and he ate them. So, Tom Ford brushes will be coming out his ass pretty soon. Anyhow, guys, that's going to be it for this video. Thank you so much for taking the time to hang out, and I will see you very, very soon in my next one. Bye.